Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your devices so tracking works reliably. Put on your Series 3 snugly. Skin contact matters because the watch uses heart rate and motion. On your iPhone, open Health and set a sleep schedule and wind down. This informs when the watch records. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb and Theater Mode won't block sleep sensing. You're starting active tracking right now. These steps enable data collection and unify watch and phone settings for consistent overnight records. Now you'll enable the watch-specific settings that capture sleep signals. Open the Watch app on iPhone, tap Sleep, and confirm sleep tracking and wrist detection are enabled so motion plus heart rate are logged. Next, go to Privacy Health and allow access to heart rate and motion to ensure the watch can send data. Make sure your watch has adequate charge before bed, charge above 30% or schedule top-ups during the day. These steps guarantee the watch records throughout the night. Finally, review your sleep results each morning in the Health app to see time asleep, heart rate trends, and consistency. If you don't see data, restart the watch and iPhone. Often a simple reboot restores syncing. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch so watch OS and iOS reestablish permissions. This also refreshes sensors. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure wrist detection is active and the watch fits snugly. Without that, the watch can't reliably measure sleep and heart rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.